This old girl has seen better days, hasn't she? We travelled across the country in this car, my husband and I. The blue paint is almost entirely gone here, so much rust. It certainly has seen better days, hasn't it? Yes, the rust is quite deep here. I can let it go for 25, considering the state of the trunk. 50, 60, 70,000, there you are. A fair price for such a lovely wreck. There we are, it's all yours now. Take good care of her.
The rear quarter panel is completely compromised. Look at this warping.
Yes, the heat damage here is extensive. The carbon fiber is brittle.
The paint condition here is worse than expected.
Should I use the fine brush on this section?
Yes, carefully. We need to preserve as much as possible.
Right there on the fender, nice and slow.
Okay, increasing the pressure slightly.
Good, that's coming clean now. Almost done with the center panel.
Hose is secure on this side.
All right, watch the pressure near the trim. It's looking much better.
I'm moving to the center console now. Okay, I'll start on the floor mats. Make sure you get all the charred debris.
Fender trim is loose. Careful, it's heavily rusted underneath.
I have it. Moving it to the inspection table now.
Loosening the final bolt now.
We have the weight.
Ready to pull back.
The new line is seated properly now. Hand me the torque wrench, please. Here you go. It looks much better than the old one.
Excellent work, ladies. That connection is secure.
This manifold is severely degraded. I'm worried about the injector seats.
Clean it thoroughly first. We'll check the tolerances before fitting the new ones. How does the quarter panel look?
Almost ready for the next coat. Just finishing the edges here.
Make sure the gaps are perfect before you move on.
The contours on the side are looking smooth.
Yes, very precise. I'll finish the hood now. The flow seems consistent. Yes, the masking held up well. Keep the coats even. The sanding is perfect, exactly what we needed for the base.
Flawless execution on the curves.
See this edge here? Just needs a little smoothing.
Got it, right there.
Yes, much better now.
Ensure the overlap is precise on the rear quarter.
Yes, maximizing the gloss retention now.
The flow looks incredible on the rear quarter.
Agreed, the clear coat is setting perfectly.
It's flawless. The reflection on this blue is stunning.
Make sure the trim is flawless.
Almost done with the headlight surround.
Make sure to get the edges nice and clean.
The depth on this blue is incredible.
We're almost done with the hood.
Emblem alignment is perfect.
Yes, the spacing is exact.
Mirror housing is flush.
It's locking into place now.
The fit is seamless.
Excellent work. The alignment is spot on. Oil levels are good.
Battery connected.
Wiring secure. Ready for ignition.
Checking the hood. Wheels are done. Moving to the interior now.
Almost finished with the vacuum.